In a previous video, we saw that there is a connection between the number of sides of a polygon and the number of triangles within it. So for example, a four-sided shape would have two triangles in it, right there. So a four-sided shape's got two triangles, so that's 180, 180, that makes 360. So the inside angles add up to 360. So there is a formula connecting the number of sides of a shape and the total of the inside angles. The formula is 180 multiplied by n minus 2, where n represents the number of sides. That gives you the total of all the inside angles, total of interior angles. So let's see that working then. Let's suppose we have a six-sided shape. So n would be 6. So we need to substitute this into the formula. So we have 180. N is 6. That's going to be 6 take away 2. 6 take away 2. So what do we have here? So that's 180 times 4. 180 times 4. That gives you 720 degrees. As you can see here, six-sided shape. Previously we saw a six-sided shape split up into four triangles, each one being 180 degrees. They all add up to 720 degrees. Is what we got with the formula, using the formula. Now let's suppose we have a different scenario where all the interior angles of a regular polygon. Polygon means many-sided shape. They all add up to 1080 degrees. Now I need to determine how many sides does this polygon have. So what I can do is substitute this into my formula. So we have 180 n minus 2 is equal to, well, the total is 1080. So we need to work backwards to work at the value of n. Remember, there's an invisible time sign there. So all you need to do is solve the equation to find the value of n. So to get rid of times by 180, divide by 180, do the same on the other side. 180 divided by 180, they knock each other out. You're left with n minus 2. And that will give you, let's have a look, 1080 divided by 180, that gives me 6. Something take away 2 to give me 6, well, n is going to be 8. So clearly it's an 8-sided shape. An 8-sided shape will have an interior angle at the total of all the interior angles added to 1080. Now, this being a regular polygon, meaning all the sides, all the angles are the same, what would be the value of one of the angles? Remember, there are 8, because it's an 8-sided shape, you'll have 8 interior angles. So what will each angle be worth? So all we're going to do now is 1080 divided by 8 angles. So that's to work at the interior angle. It's 135. So the interior angle is 135 degrees. So how do we work at the exterior angle? Remember, you've got a many-sided shape. I'm not going to draw the entire shape. The interior is 135, etc., all the way around. That's the interior, but the exterior is, if you continue this line, like so, it's a straight line. This bit here is the exterior. And remember, angles on a straight line add to 180. So we're going to do 180 take 135. That leaves you with 45.